Welcome to this month's edition of your Houston Real Estate Market Update. My name is Andy.montalvo and I'm an agent with Martha Turner Sotheby's International. And today I wanted to cover how the market is acting at the beginning of the year. As always, I want to keep this quick and simple for you so you can get on with your day and you can actually get a full aspect of what's going on in the market in a concise amount of time. So let's get straight into it. The market this month has followed December and November and continues to be a little bit slow, especially when compared to the past 3 years in the housing market. However, even though things seem to be going really slow, we are seeing a bit of an upside. Starting in 2023, we are continuing to see an incredible amount of inventory in the market. The number of homes on market is almost double what we had in the previous year in January. Now, at the end of 2022, the large number of inventory was largely due to houses just sitting on the market for a really long time. And most of those listings that were on market were actually active listings that were on market the previous months and not new listings. Now we are starting to see a little bit of a change as we saw almost 10,000 new listings and a 30% increase in new listings when compared to December. A lot of the times the market slows down significantly in the winter times and in the Christmas times. People just hold off and wait to sell and maybe just start preparing their homes at the beginning of the year and at the end of Christmas in order to list by the end of January. And we can see that with the huge number of increase in new listings. So we're starting to see new listings take a bigger chunk of what the active listings are, which makes sense because we're about to go into our springtime where number of listings tend to increase and sellers tend to take more action. Now, as for buyers, we didn't see as much activity as expected because of the winter times. So we did see a big drop in sales, and we only had about 4,000 home sales in the month of January, which was a 37% decrease when compared to December. Now note that pretty much all those sales were put under contract 30 days prior to their closing. So most of those sales are attributed to what the market was doing in the December month. Most of the people who are actually taking action in those times are people who are looking for deals, and maybe investors, maybe people who are looking for their first time home or looking for something that they can maybe move into, fix up, and get into a home. So you did see about a 4% decrease in the home sale price, and we're down now to 315,000, where we were at 330 back in December. But it's good to note that in January, we did see mortgage rates come down. So I really expect to see sales go up and maybe even home prices go up. With that said, the month of January acted like a very strong buyer's market. We saw about 5.7 months of inventory and houses were sitting for about 34 days on market. That gave buyers even more leverage on the market and an ability to negotiate even further on price, repairs, or contingencies or any of that. Overall, we're still seeing a slow market with buyers being a little hesitant to take action, mainly due to interest rates, and sellers maybe waiting off to see if they want to sell their house or not, because a lot of those sellers may be in really good interest rates on their mortgages, so they might not see a reason to actually sell. However, as always, the market will keep moving and buyers will keep buying and sellers will keep selling. So even though we're in a period that feels very slow, we're starting to see a little bit of more activity going on in the market. Now, it was announced that the Federal Reserve will continue to increase interest rates, so it will be interesting to see how that affects buyer activity in the springtime. As I like to do in all my updates, I like to share with you any new local business, any restaurant, cafe, shop, etc. that has come to Houston and I think that you should try out. Today, I wanted to highlight the Bayou Heights Beer Garden that just opened now in January. The Bayou Heights Beer Garden is brought to you by the Kirby Group, who also brought to us the Heights Beer Garden. The Bayou Heights Beer Garden is going to be several buildings anchored together by a courtyard, serving food, drinks, and allowing guests to just lounge around and hang out. If you want to find out more, go check out their website. It is linked down below in the description. Now, if you're looking for something fun to do in this month of February, the Super Bowl is coming up, and you can guarantee that you will have a good time at any of the beer gardens that are around Houston. We did just mention one that opened up, but there are tons of others around the Houston area. And those are probably, in my opinion, one of the best places to go watch big games like this. You get a really great atmosphere. You're a little more comfortable than being at a jam-packed, closed-in bar. And if the weather's nice, you can enjoy the outdoors and everything. So this coming Super Bowl Sunday, go out and support your local beer gardens. Well, that is all I have for you guys today in this month market update. If you have any questions, please put them down below. I'd love to get them answered for you. I don't want you leaving here without any questions. And if you know of any new businesses, restaurants, cafes, shops, any of that thing, any sort of business, local business to Houston that I need to go check out and that people need to know about, please put it down in the description or shoot me a DM at my Instagram. It is right here. I'd love to get them highlighted. I'd love to go try it out myself, go check it out myself, and maybe get other people to go there as well. Please go ahead. Besides that, please go ahead and hit like and subscribe. Boom, boom, right here. I like knowing that you guys are finding some value in the videos. With that said, I will see you guys next time.